Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to remove junk data using all sequence parameter in sort program. So here I opened a PS file in browse mode. I can see some dots. First of all, what are those dots? These are low values. Okay, these are not periods, these are low values. It can have other than low values also. We can have any junk data into the file. Junk data are not allowed. Okay, so normally what we do, we convert all these junk data into a space. It doesn't mean you have to convert only to a space. You can convert to whatever character you want. But before that, let's see how this data is stored in mainframe. This data is not stored as a dot. This data is stored in a double hexadecimal, which is EBCDIC format. As you are already aware, mainframe stored data in EBCDIC format, extended binary code, decimal interchange code. In another special video, I am going to tell you how EBCDIC code is evolved and what are the different values for characters in keyboard. For every character in keyboard, we have a special EBCDIC character. If you want to know how data is stored in mainframe, you have to just give hexadecimal on, hex on. If you want to turn it off, give hex off. I am going to give hex on. You can see how data is stored. One is stored as F1 and capital A is stored as C1. S is stored as E2, etc. You can see this dot. This dot is having a hexadecimal value 00. Okay, this is the lowest value in mainframe. And the highest value is hexadecimal FF. FF is the highest value. I'm going to reset this. I'm going to turn hexadecimal to off. Hex off. I'm going to find all hexadecimal 00. How many values are there? There are around 140 characters. Normally what we do, we convert all these into a space. It doesn't mean you have to convert only to a space. You can convert to any other character also. There are 140 dots which are not actual dots. These are low values, lowest value. I want this to convert to a space. A space will occupy hexadecimal 40 in mainframe. Okay, space. For example, I'm giving hex on now. You can see the space. So these are spaces. By default, alphanumeric or alphabetic will be left justified, filled with lagging space. You can see all these are spaces. 40 is a space. I'm going to convert all these 00 to 40 using all sequence parameter. Okay, let me show the JCL. I'm going to use sort program. Okay. This is a sort program where we are copying all the 80 records. I'm going to give transaction equal to alternate sequence. And we have to give an alternate sequence parameter, alt sequence code equal to from what to what? From 00 to 40. Okay, it's going to take every record. It's going to apply this all sequence code. All 00, hexadecimal 00 will be converted to hexadecimal 40, meaning it will be converted to a space. Okay, let me submit this JCL. Max is equal to 0. I'm going to show this output file. Output file is something different, not the input file. I'm going to find hexadecimal 00. We don't have any characters. Everything has been converted to a space. Okay, in the first screen, you can see plenty of dots. Find all hexadecimal 00. 140 characters have been converted to a space. You can also convert any character if you want. For example, I'm going to introduce some data. I'm going to introduce, say, let me edit this file. I'm going to edit the hexadecimal value, not the value which you are seeing in the browse mode. I'm going to convert this into FF. This is the highest value. Okay, we have a 00 as well as FF. Hex off. I'm going to browse this and show you. Even FF will be showing us dots. Okay, find all hexadecimal FF, we have 7 characters, which is the highest value. Even low value will see as dot, even high value will see as dot, even dot also will be shown as dot. But we have to see what is the original storage value. In mainframe, it stores data in double hexadecimal, which is EBCDIC format. I'm going to convert FF to 0 spaces again. I'm going to come out of this file. I'm going to edit the JCL. I'm going to add one more parameters. You can add any number of parameters here. How it works is, it is going to take 80 records, 80 characters, okay, 80 characters, not records, 80 characters, and apply this alternate sequence. Wherever it finds 00, it is converting to 40. Similarly, all hexadecimal FF will be converted to 40, which is a space. 40 means space. I'm going to submit this. Max is 0. I'm going to show the output file. This is the output file. I'm going to give columns, find all hexadecimal 00. No. I'm going to retrieve the panel. 4. Find all. No. So both these 00 and FF have been converted to a space. So this is how we have to use alternate sequence code. Hope you understood how to convert junk data into a space. Thanks for watching this video.